Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to remove particular app from a folder in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the particular folder. Suppose I would like to go to this folder. Okay, here I have only two folders, Samsung folder and Google folder. Okay, so I go to here Google folder, and from here I would like to remove one of the app. Okay, here I would like to remove Google map from the Google folder. Okay, so what should I do? Just pick up that Google map, just long press on it, and then move it out of the Google folder. Okay, just long press and it, just move like this. Okay, press and move out of the folder, and it will now placed in the home page here. And see, in the Google folder there is no map because it is moved from map. Okay, suppose if you would like to again you got to include that Google map to the folder, you got to click on the Google map and just go to the particular folder and then drop like this, and it will be added to the added again to the previous folder. Okay, so in this way you can easily remove one of the app from the any folder, and later if you think that you got to restore to that folder, yes, you can do it. Again, I am doing it for Gmail. Okay, see here, yes, Gmail is out of folder now. From the Google folder, it is out of Google folder. Now I would like to add again to the Google folder. Yes, added. So in this way you can remove one of the app from the folder or add add to the particular folder. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.